The police have identified the female that was killed at a wedding in Negril. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A woman that was shot and succumbed to her injuries have been identified, while two men are nursing gunshot wounds after a wedding turned deadly in Negril, Westmoreland on Saturday evening. The female who succumbed to her injuries has been identified as 31-year-old Rashima Senior from Riverside District, Hanover. It is understood that the deceased is related to the couple who were getting married. It is understood that the two injured men were employed as photographers at the wedding. Reports are that armed men approached the wedding on motorcycle. The event was being held at a hotel in the resort town. Reports are that shortly after 6 p.m., men aboard a motorcycle drove onto a side lane located between the hotel in question and another well-known hotel. On reaching a section of the lane, one of the gunmen reportedly opened fire at the wedding guests through a fence, hitting the woman and a cameraman. It is understood that the overseas guests that were at a nearby hotel who were dining outside were left traumatized and scammering for cover. The police have since launched an investigation into the case. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide it with a more comprehensive report to come in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.